box we nyam time hard so we can't watch face. A street side how we base. And we don't have to wanna place. And the bullshit we jam out a beer box we nyam time hard so we can't watch face. Darling, I'm hungry, you're very dry. Darling, I'm hungry, you just get your rice. Darling, I'm hungry with the chicken back eye on the eye. You use a left eye. You're very dry. Darling, I'm hungry, you just get your rice. Darling, I'm hungry with the chicken back eye on the eye. You use a left eye.
Take a sleep
On the cold concrete.
we have to take a sleep.
On the cold concrete.
Oh, Jesus, PM, St. Thomas, St. Thomas. If you're not convincing one more time, I'm going to put my ray of hope. Jesus, PM. No, I'm trying, no, drive me there, enjoy the performance, and then we start with some of the faces them, and we start to go through my pocket. I wonder if I can give something. But in terms of the theatrics, I love it. The Madman round the back. The brother right there, so the scandal bank on him head, Mr. Snorman wrote this, and then the girl, the boy, oh boy, you actress. I forgot to link up Hollyberry for you. All right, but I liked it, and I'm going to leave Joy for to talk about the music and them someday.
Yeah, because I'm judging a cappella singing. The drama was really, really good. Very convincing in your clothes and the way how you did things and so on. There were one or two times when the sopranos overshot their notes. When they're going up, they went a little too high and so on. But I thought that based on what you intended to give us, you gave us.